Hi everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life. In today's video, I'm going to share you a chicken masala with homemade non-garlic bread. So here in my kitchen, so let's get started.
This is my chicken masala. The origin of this dish is not certain as I asked Google. Some trace it to the South Asian community in Great Britain, and others claim that it originated in the Indian subcontinent. And this is my chicken, and it's a leg of a chicken, and I'm going to take off the meat because I don't like in a chicken masala with bones, because usually chicken masala is really only a meat, and it's about half a kilo. Now it's done. And this is my ginger, and I have to grate it here because we have to put a ginger paste, but I don't have one. And now a garlic, I also grated it. This is one. So we start to marinate our chicken. First we have to add a 3 teaspoons of curd, which is, if you don't have this, you can use yogurt, and then 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1 teaspoon of garlic, and a 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Then we have to mix this together, and we marinate this one for 30 minutes to 1 hour. And then now we have to cut 2 onions. This is for our sauteing when we're going to start cooking. Now we have to cut 2 tomatoes. This one with cashew nuts and coriander fresh. We have to blend this together. So I put these tomatoes in a blender, and the cashew nuts, and the fresh coriander, and then we blend this one until it's softened. Usually we have to use this like a paste, but my blender cannot really make it to a paste.
Okay, so we start cooking now. I have to add cooking oil, just enough to suit our ingredient. When the oil is hot, we're going to suit our onion.
So it's hot now. We're going to add the onion, and then garlic, then we saute this one till the onion turns brown, and we add the tomato that we blend, the tomato, the cashew, and the coriander. We saute them well. And then we have to add the chili paste. If you don't have a chili paste, you can add a chili powder. And we saute it again. Then we have to add 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. And 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, so this till raw smell goes. And now we have to add our marinated chicken. The smell is really good now. We cook this for 5 minutes in a medium flame. So after 5 minutes, we have to add water for another 20 minutes. And this water I'm using, I clean up the blender. This is the blender. We blend the tomato, the cashew nuts, and the coriander. So I just add some water, and this water I have to add in our meat. And we cover again for another 20 minutes. You can also add a little bit more water if you want to have some a little bit, and then you can add 2. So after 20 minutes of boiling, we have to add, so now we have to add a 3/4 of masala powder. And we have to cook this one for 2 minutes in a low flame. And then of course you have to give it a test. It's really nice. So after 2 minutes, we have to add our fresh coriander, and we mix it well. Then we switch off the flame, and this is ready to eat. What is naan bread? Naan is a slightly leavened type of Indian flatbread that bears some similarities of pita bread. So now I'm going to make a garlic naan bread. This dough is very easy. I mixed this one the other day because I made a bread, and this dough is only flour, yeast, and water. So it's very easy. And now I have to make a garlic naan bread. So we just have to roll this one until it's a little bit thin. And my garlic butter, I add also a fresh coriander. I grind a garlic and melted the butter, and I add coriander on it. And then I have to wipe this one on the dough from the top and the bottom. But first, I have to brush this one on the top. And now I have to warm up the pan, and this is a non-sticky pan. And now we have to put our dough, and on the top I put garlic butter. And then now, because this side don't have yet, so we have to brush it, and then when we turn it, it's ready. Even if you've never made bread at home before, this soft, chewy, garlicky flatbread is easy to make and well worth the effort. You're going to love serving it with your favorite Indian dish. So now we have to turn it on the other side. And look at that. This is ready. So this is my chicken masala with a non-butter garlic bread.
Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you!